And our production is made by machine. I show you some video about this. Have a look, my friend. You just come inside. I'm introduce about our factory to you. This is a packing machine. Even the packing machine is also made by machine. This one is put this one. Put this item for pouch inside of the box. It's made by machine. I show you other video. You have a look, dear customer. I hope you know us more. If you want to find a good factory and produce your brand, you please choose us. We are your best tools. You see, the workers is just wait there to control the machine. Have a look about this one. This is our producing line, packing producing line. I show you to cover plastic cover outside the box.